So dear students, today we will be doing it the very important questions related to the chapter playing with numbers. These questions which we will do it today will be based on a separate property. So please listen very carefully what we are discussing and try to make the notes of it. सबसे पहले we are going to discuss about one of the very important property related to co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers are the numbers which are having one as a common factor. For example, if you have two numbers like 1, 9 and 20, can you all tell me that this is co-prime number or not? Tell me, this is co-prime number or not? Please reply. This is co-prime number. Correct. This is the pair of a co-prime number. Reason behind, if you find out the factor of 9, 1, 3, 9 is factor of 9. If you find out factors of 20, you have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Okay, these are the factors of 20. Now let's take common. What is common? Only one, only one. Okay? Yes, only one is the common factor. So it means HCF is only one. And if HCF is one, it means they both are co-prime numbers. Okay? Now I want to discuss one very important property related to co-prime number, that what comes the LCM. Now can you all find out the LCM of 9 and 20 together and tell me what will be the answer over here? Please find out beta faster. Okay. 0. How 0 beta? Beta, I would request you to please solve. There are some numbers which are co-prime numbers, and suppose a question came to find out their LCM. Always remember, if you are having two co-prime numbers, they will have always LCM as their product. Okay? Let us solve it and let us prove it that it is true for every condition. Now look at here. 3 3s are 9. It will not divide this number. 20 will remain like that only. Then for 20 you will be doing it. See this. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36 and 36 5s are 180. You are getting the LCM as 180 and their product is, let us see, LCM is coming 180 and let us see the product of both the number 9 into 20, that will also give you 180. Always remember, when you talk about the product, that means the multiplication of both the numbers. Okay, the result of multiplication of both the numbers. Always remember, when you get two numbers, if you have both the numbers are co-prime, no need to do their LCM. No need to waste your time. Just find out their product and tell me what is the LCM of both. Okay, let me give you some examples. Tell me what is the LCM of both the numbers. Okay, my question is, what is the LCM? So I am writing it down here. LCM, all of you write down this line in your fair copy. LCM of two co-prime numbers is equal to product of both numbers. हाँ बेटा, why? Why beta? No beta. So students, there are some numbers, pair of some numbers which you have to find out LCM in each case. Now think which number is a pair of co-prime and which number are not in the form of co-prime. What will be the LCM of these? So just try this out and then we will solve this. So students, if you will see question number 1 which I gave you, that is 9 and 15. So you are knowing that if you to find out the factor of 9, you have 1, 3 and 9. If you talk about the factor of 15, you will have 1, 3, 5 and 15. It means when you find out the common between them, you will find out 3. Okay, that means you have another number also as common. That means their LCM will not be their product. So it means their LCM will be, let us try 9 and 15. LCM will be 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 5 will be remained here only. Yes. 45 is coming. And you are knowing their LCM is coming 45, but their product is 15 into 9, 135. It means it is not giving you the LCM as their product. Why it is not giving you, beta? Because they were not co-prime. Are you getting it? Because they were not co-prime. Because the condition which I told you, it is only true for co-prime numbers. The condition which I told you for only co-prime numbers. Okay? So let me rub this question because this was not a co-prime number. So I am rubbing this. Now let us move on to the second question which I gave you. That is 20 and 7. 20 factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Factor of 7 is only 1 and 7. It means there is nothing as common only except 1. That means they both are co-prime numbers. So let us see what is coming as their LCM. You are doing, it will give you 10. Yes. Yes. Correct. 2 into, yes, 2 2s are 4. 4 5s are 20. And 27s are 140. It means the LCM is coming 140. Now let us check what is the product of both the number. What is the product of both the number? 20 into 7. 140 only. Now look at here. They were co-prime. They were co-prime. That is why their LCM is coming equal to their product. Okay, beta remember this property is only true for the numbers which are co-prime numbers. Okay, now this is one method for this question. Now let us solve to the next number. Next number is 25 and 4. Next number is 25 and 4. So beta, third question I give you 25 and 4. As you all know, the factor of 25 is 1, 5 and 25. And factor of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. It means the common is only 1. That means again they are co-prime. So according to the co-prime number, their product will be 25 into 4, which will give you 100. So direct answer also you can mention that is 100. So now the result of our property, which just now we have done, is that LCM of two co-prime numbers is equal to what? Tell me. Is equal to what? Their product. Absolutely. Product of both the numbers. Finished. Okay. Now remember, अब हम लोग एक और प्रॉपर्टी करेंगे जब हमारे पास प्राइम नंबर ना हो. ठीक है, जब हमारे पास प्राइम नंबर ना हो, हमारे पास कोई और नंबर हो, मतलब को प्राइम नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be any other number. Then product of both the number will be what? So we are going to do the second property now, which will be the conclusion, which we will find out. All of you please mention in a highlighting way this line because it is a conclusion line. So conclusion line means this is a notes related to it. So all of you write it down this one, and then we are going to discuss the next property today, which everybody will solve along with me. So dear students, I'm going to discuss the second property with you all. And according to the second property, I gave you two numbers, that was 20 and 12. And I told you that this is the first number 20, this is the second number 12. And I told you that you have to find out SCM of both the number, LCM of both the number. So let us try. First we are finding out SCF. So according to the rule of SCF, 20 we will solve it differently, 12 also we will solve it separately. It will give you 10, this will give you 6, this will give you 5, and then we will have it 5. Here it will give you 3 and this will give you 1. Okay. Now, as you all can see, you are doing it SCF, and according to the SCF, what is coming common? 2. Again, one more 2. That means their SCF is 4. Their SCF is 4. I have written here 4. Okay? So their SCF is coming 4. I have written it over here. Now I am going to rub this, and now I am going to solve their LCM. So LCM of 20 and 12. 2, यहाँ पे 10, यहाँ पे 6, again 2, यहाँ पे 5, यहाँ पे 3, now 3, and then last one is 5. Let us see what is coming LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 12 5s are 60. 12 5s are 60. Now the LCM is coming here. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now you all can see I have written as the LCM is coming 60 and the SCF is coming 4. Always remember beta, SCF will be the smaller value. SCF will be the smaller value and LCM will be the greater value. Always remember this one. Okay? Now look at here why I told you this. Remember always when you have any two numbers, कोई भी दो number ले लो example के लिए. Any example, let's say bigger number, smaller number, medium kind of number, कोई भी number आप ले लीजिए. अगर आपके पास कोई भी दो number है बेटा, so their product. Now find out their product. What is the product? Product of both the number means first number into second number. Means 20 multiplied by 12. What will come? Can you tell me what will come? Tell me faster. What will come? 240. Their product will be 240. And when you talk about SCF and LCM, SCF multiplied by LCM, tell me what will come? If you multiply SCF multiplied by LCM of both. 4 into 60. 4 into 60 means 240. Now see. Are they giving same? Are they giving same to you? It means the property says, all of you write it down in your fair copy in a highlighted way. You can use sketch color also. Remember, product of two numbers will always be equal to their SCF into LCM. Remember always, it means if you have two numbers, उनका जो product होगा बेटा, that will always be equal to their SCF into their LCM. This is the very important property. You will get this property in RS Agrawal. You will get this property in also in NCERT question number 11, which somebody was asking from me right now here that ma'am, you have not discussed this question. I was thinking that I will be telling you to solve in front of me only. Now students, let us try one more question related to it. Okay, let us try one more question related to it. Should I give you what you say? Okay. So now students, let us try this. Okay? SCF. You are knowing if you talk about their factors 1, 7, 5 and 35. And this one 1, 2, 5, 10 and 25 and 50 also. It means if you talk about their SCF, if you do it by method, it will give you 35 so it will give you 7 and it will be this number. And for 50, if you will do it, it will give you 2, then your 25, then 5 and then 5 again. It means you are getting only 5 as common. That means their SCF is only 5. So their SCF we have got it as only 5. So I am writing over here is 5. Now let us find out their LCM. LCM 35 and 50. So when you will solve this, it will give you here 35 will remain like this only. This will give you 25. Now we will take the next number as 5. 5 sevens are 5 fives are. Now again by 5 and the last one will by 7. It means 2 into 5, 10. 10 fives are 50 and 50 into 7, 350. Are you getting 350 as LCM, students? Tell me. 350. Okay. It means you were also doing it correctly, that the number is coming 350 as LCM and SCF is coming only 5. Now let us solve the last step. Product of both the number 35 multiply by 50 and SCF into LCM, it means 5 into 350. Now let us solve it and see whether they are giving equal or not. It will give you 0, 5 5s are 25, carry here 2, 5 3s are 15, 15 and 2 17. 1750 is the number which we are getting. And this side also we will get it 1750. Tell me, are you also getting equal or not? You are getting the same? Yes, you all are getting the same. That means that the product of two numbers, that means it is true always that the product of two numbers is always equal to the product of their SCF into LCM. That is absolutely true condition for every number.